I'd like you to meet my friend Jane.
I'd like you to meet my friend Pedro. This is my friend Pedro.
This is my friend Jane. Are you going anywhere on holiday this year?
Are you going anywhere on holiday this year?
I need a holiday.
I need a holiday. What's your favorite holiday?
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
My favorite holiday is Christmas. When did you lose your camera?
When did you lose your camera?
I found my lost camera.
I found my lost camera. Tell me about your holiday plans.
Tell me about your holiday plans.
What do you usually do on holidays? What do you usually do on holidays?
Jane doesn't sunbathe on holidays. Jane doesn't sunbathe on holidays. I swim every day. I swim every day.
He doesn't like skiing on holiday. He doesn't like skiing on holiday.
I will now leave this city.
I will now leave this city. He will never help you.
She will never help you. Will we learn English next year?
Will we learn English next year? I'm learning French.
I'm learning French. I have to learn English.
I have to learn English. Where will you go tomorrow?
Where will you go tomorrow? I must go now.
I must go now. May I go home?
May I go home? I work at home.
I work at home.